for letting me know. Just because I didn't want to record the sugar part because that's just a bit of jokes, all right? But Euro NZD looks to me, if we look left and we look on something like the 30-minute or the 1 hour, let's see what Euro NZD, at least the demand zone that has formed, I mean the supply zone that has formed, if it's still valid, maybe it's clearer on the 2 hourly or something. I'm just trying to get a valid, nice area to get entries from. Okay, it's not visible on the 2 hour either. I'm just gonna replay it just so it's easier for me. And then what I'll do is I'll go on to something like the 30-minute. The 30-minute isn't clear. Okay, here you could argue there's a 30-minute will be that doji there. Maybe let's go on to the 20-minute just to get a nice clear area. Okay, you do have a nice buy to sell, but that isn't valid. On the 30-minute though, it is valid. So I don't know why I'm over refining it. There you go. That's the 30-minute OB, and the market is now has come into that OB. So what we've had is the market take out liquidity up here. So we had an area of equal highs. Don't know why I said equal lows, right? So we had equal highs. Market took out the equal highs and liquidity, took out all of that liquidity, came into our zone here, and is now beginning to sell off, right? So what do we have here? Do we have, it looks to me that the market is just reacted to a fib level. So if you're drawing our fib, the market has, you can see, reacted to 6786 and is now looking like it wants to sell off, right? So this does look nice on Euro NZD. Where would you be targeting? I still do have this demand zone placed, and I do have that daily liquidity zone. So that's what I'd say you target. And I will post this in the group chat as well, because why not? It does look like we're literally only using the fib level as as something for confluence. But I'll post this in the group chat as well. Why not? Dan says that there's a nice 5 minute entry. Let's look if there's a nice 5 minute entry. Um, on the 5 minute, it looks like Euro NZD has just formed equal highs. So what I would say is, if you want to enter from up here. So here we go. Let me just delete this and the fib. So it looks like this is the demand zone that you want to enter from, because we have equal highs in this zone that the market is most likely going to liquidate. Right, so these are the equal highs we are talking about. Market is most likely going to liquidate it, take it to the upside, then push up into our zone here and sell off. Right, so that's what I would say you do if you want to sell Euro NZD. Is basically a picture perfect setup. Do you know how we talk about the market being fractal? Look at our higher time frames. On the 4 hourly, what we have is, right, an area of OB above an area of double top. So this is the OB area that we're talking about. This is the double top. Market takes out the double top, comes into OB, and now sells off. Right. If we look now on the 5 minute, right, talk about a market being fractal. We have the exact same thing, right? The market forming equal highs, pushes up, coming into an OB, and now we're expecting it to sell off. Right. So this is literally a prime example of a fractal market. Thank you guys for, yeah. You guys are starting the challenge. Yeah, I'll be, if you guys want me to, I can start a challenge. I can literally buy a challenge right now if you want, and we can start it together. Um, because I'm not, I don't have anything. Yeah, I can do that. I'll talk to someone and I'll get it done, and I'll let everyone in the group know. So, and I'll make a video. But in fact, yeah, I did want to make a video. Yeah, yeah, Dan, that'd be sick. He says if we do all a challenge together and we pass it together, yeah, I'll do that. I'll just do one per video. So I'm not gonna go crazy and buy like 100K one. I'll buy like a 10K one just so that I can show off the metrics and stuff, just so there's proof of that and so on and so forth. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll buy a 10K challenge right now. But yeah, how I pass my students. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll make, that's insane. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll buy a 10K FTMO. Um, but yeah, I'll definitely do that. I'll make sure to get that done. So here we go. We have our so for Euro NZD, just basically as I was saying, I'm expecting it to push up, come into our OB here, and then sell off some more. There is a nice area of imbalance you could be targeting all the way down here. So here you go. If I just show us that area of imbalance, right? So that's the area of imbalance you want to be targeting. You could, there isn't also areas of imbalance up here. So those are the two areas of imbalance I would say target. Anything else I think is just a stretch. But these are two nice areas of imbalance that you could be going to. So here we go here, right? And then also here, right? So that's what I would say you target. Um, the two areas of imbalance. The market looks to me that it's going to come into an area. So I'll definitely post Euro NZD as well. Euro NZD. So yeah, the watch list will definitely get spammed right now. So Euro NZD, sugar. I actually won't put sugar because there's just too many of those pairs. There's just literally too many. I mean, the thing is, if literally two of these setups, so we have how many? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. We have 10 setups. Okay, nine excluding sugar. Say two of these play out, and they both play out for 1 to 20 plus. We've just made 40% of our account, and everyone's just passed FTMO. So what I'd say is, oh, CAD JPY is there twice. Oh yeah, it is. So I didn't mean to do that, but yeah, that's CAD JPY. 8 setups still, right? Um, Make sure you guys risk properly. I'll send through. This is the risk calculator I use. This one right here. If I just show us, right? This is the one. Where is it? Where is it? Not this one right here. There's another one I use. This one is fine. You can use this one. um there's a nice risk calculator that you can do. Basically, the point is make sure you risk properly, because if you guys only risk 0.5% of your account for these setups, right? If you're trading FCMO, make sure you risk properly, because sometimes it's easy and you'll get away with it and you can still be profitable risking, let's say, 1% on this one, 2% on this one, 2% on this one, less than 1% on this one. I'd say risk 0.5% of your account on all of these, and say three of them run for 1 to 10 plus, right? The 1 to 10 one will make you 5%, the 1 to 10 one will make you 5%, and then the rest will lose you 0.5%. So 7 times 0.5, what's that? That's 3.5% of your account. So you'll be down a maximum of 3.5% on your account. But then we have three trades that are running plus 15%, right? So you'll be up 12%, and you should pass FTMO if even three of these setups that we've posted become profitable. So that's what I'd say. Make sure you risk properly, because that's very important when you have setups like these, when you have loads and loads of trades that you want to be entering. Watley asks, wait, let me start. Let me do it bit by bit. So Dan says, good, just take trades. It'll come. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I'm assuming you want to take all of these trades. Watley says, how many currencies do you trade? There's not a set amount that I trade. I trade the major pairs. So I'll be entering Euro USD, AUD USD, GU, and GJ. Those are the nice ones that I like. USD CHF, I wanted to enter one, and I did get stopped at a break even. So that's just a lesson for me not to enter on minor pairs. I did take less than 1% of partials, but the bulk of my position was stopped at break even. Dan says there's plenty of trades. Some of my best have been at 11 p.m. UK time. Yeah. This is what I say. I say from 11 p.m. UK time to, I know a bunch of you are from the UK, so I'm just gonna do it in UK time. 11 p.m. and that's where I'm from too, so I'm gonna do it in UK time. 11 p.m. UK time to 4 p.m. UK time is like the best time, because that's the New York and London crossover, right? That's the two sessions crossing over. In the morning, 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. is also fine, because that's a London session alone. But that crossover between London and New York, which is when the market is most liquid, is the best time to be entering trades. Where's your speaker? Right, so that's what I'd say, New York and London. Right, so that's what I would. But yeah, don't mind that. As I was saying, I don't even remember what I was saying now. Um, I think I was talking about risking properly. Yeah, so definitely do risk properly for this, because I'm just looking at your comments. Fierce, yeah. I didn't. That was an accident. Man, owning the markets and the family. Yeah, that was an accident. Didn't mean to do that at all. I just had to get her up because it's gonna be in the recording, and that's gonna be in the recording as well. Oh my God. But anyway, it's fine. I'll edit it out. It's fine. But as I was saying, risk properly. Definitely risk properly. GJ. So the pairs that I'm going to be entering on are now. I think I showed my entry for GJ last time. So if I get GJ my entry up for GJ, and I'll just show you the exact price that I entered at. And we go to, you should now be able to see trade talk. Or was it trade ideas that I posted my entry in? Let me just scroll all the way up. It might have also been. Oh, here we go. Look, you can see my entry for GJ. There's my entry. You can see the buy up that I posted in the watch list. So I'll be posting the entry for GU if you want. I can definitely do that. I will just post the chart for the time being, but if you want the actual entry on MetaTrader 4, I can of course do that as well. But yeah, this is the trades that I'll be sending out. I think that's all for now. I don't want to be sending out too many setups. I'm just gonna end this recording here. And then what I'll do is I'll edit out that little bit there. But yeah, thank you all for coming. There's just a small little watch list video. CAD JPY I've already gone through. So Chris, I've already gone through CAD JPY. You can watch it from the recording from the last call. So I'll go through that and then I'll post that in the group chat. So for now, I have a bit of work to do. I'll post this. I'll post all of these pairs immediately, and then the call I will post, 5 to 10 minutes afterwards. So yeah, that's what I will do. I'll make sure to get that done for you guys, and then I'll be back. Um, I'll be back later on. Amir says, "Do you set pending orders?" No, I don't. Yeah, Chris literally answered that for you. Always react and don't predict. So pending orders for me are basically just are you predicting the market. It could very easily, if you set a pending order here, very easily stop you out and then you're out of your trade. But say you see, for example, when the market is coming into your zone, volume dip low, then a push to the downside, followed by a retracement, followed by another push, then it's fine. You can then enter a trade maybe somewhere down here. You don't enter at that exact price, but it's better you've actually seen the reaction occur. And so that's why I always say don't set pending orders, react and not predict. But that's just a matter of preference. So this is Euro NZD. We're targeting imbalances below here and imbalances below here, and I'll post this in the group chat for everyone to watch. So yeah, thank you all for coming, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So yeah, there'll be a call tomorrow. I'll let everyone know when, like, it's a couple hours before the call, but I'll make sure to let everyone know. I have a call tomorrow at roughly the same time, so 6 p.m. We should be doing that call. So thank you all for coming. It's been nice seeing you and breaking down all these pairs for you. I'll make sure to post all of the charts, and I will of course post this call and the last call in the group. So thank you for coming. Good luck with the trading week, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now, boys. My flipping call doesn't want to end now. What's going on?